I don't think anything has changed in the GI practice world. In the GI practice world, you know, COVID was a bit of a, temporary assault on the GI practices, since so much of the GI practice income is realized from elective procedures. And during COVID, those elective procedures went away. So now the GI practices are extremely busy doing colonoscopies, catching up with all those people who put off their colonoscopies during the COVID period. Plus, the age has been lowered to 45 for screening. So there's been no abatement in the focus on colonoscopy. GI practices are still colonoscopy factories. That is still the case, if not more so than they were before. As far as the digital world is concerned, I think what you're seeing is a digital world develop outside of the GI practices. What I see from the companies that are developing in the GI space, they are disintermediating the GI practices. They are setting up their direct-to-consumer businesses. It's a B2C. It's not a B2B2C. They are going around the GI practices. And so unless the GI practices take their heads out of the sand, there's going to be other arrangements. When you see large self-funded employers, big ones, and you know the names of the big ones, becoming providers, payviders. They're becoming payviders. They're paying for the care and they're employing providers to provide the care in their retail outlets. And they're building this on primary care. Do you really think they're going to go knocking on the doors of all the individual GI practices to see if they want to participate as specialists in their national networks? No, they're going to engage large companies that are industrializing this space while disintermediating the GI practices. I think this is a big threat to GI.